Welcome back. Let's get you the details of a Mirror Now investigation into the world of cricket. Now, cricket in India is nothing short of a religion, and several youngsters aspire to earn the coveted jersey. However, with the rise of number of fraud talent hunt groups, there is an increasing concern over young aspirants being conned. Recently, Gurugram Cops arrested 3 people for duping budding cricketers, promising them a spot in IPL or state teams. At least 18 people across several states have been conned by the trio. Cases also filed in Maharashtra and Rajasthan. Mirror Now's Alok Singh delved deeper and reveals how an elaborate ploy is used by these fraudsters to trick young aspirants. The conmen fabricate stories, forge documents, and claim to have placed current players in teams to cheat youngsters of lakhs of rupees.
रवि बिश्नोई को गरीब दिखा दिया, अंदर की बात तो हमें पता है ना।
हाँ सर।
कल को तुम्हारी भी स्टोरी बनेगी जब तुम खेलोगे और तुम बोलोगे मैं पहाड़ों में चल के आता था।
हाँ सर।
ये मीडिया ही तो करवाती है सारे काम। तुम्हें क्या लगता है कि वो हकीकत में जिंदगी काटी होती है इन लोगों ने? पैसों का खेल चलता है अंशुल, और पैसों के साथ साथ गेम भी हो तो उसका मजा ही कुछ और होता है।
हाँ सर।
प्रियम गर्ग का गेम देख के लगता है तुम्हें वो खेलने लायक है? कल का मैच देख के तुम्हें लगा होगा इनसे अच्छी बैटिंग तो तू कर लेता है। सारे सिफारिश वाले भरे पड़े थे।
This was the conversation between 19-year-old Anshul, an aspiring cricketer, and a man who defrauded him of 10 lakh rupees. This fraudster has allegedly cheated at least 18 budding cricketers, leading them on to believe that he can get them an entry in an IPL or state-level team. Anshul belongs to a lower middle-class family. His father paid the money by selling their farmland. Anshul's case is now being investigated by the Gurugram police. Cases have been filed in 2 other states. A cricket aspirant from Rajasthan paid 12 lakh rupees to the fraudster. Another aspirant from Mumbai paid up to 30 lakh rupees.
आगे आने वाले टाइम में तुम 8 मैच खेलोगे और अगर तुमने एक भी मैच में सेंचुरी मार दी, मैं तुम्हारी विक्रम ठाकुर से जैक लगवा दूंगा एनसीए के लिए। और एनसीए के बाद लड़का सीधा रणजी खेलता है या तो लड़का सीधा इंडिया ए खेलता है, जैसे दीपक चहर और राहुल चहर ने खेला है।
The conversation reflects a new trend that is plaguing Indian cricket. Intense competition at the club level, limited openings, and pressure to make it to a league, state, or the national team is providing the perfect opportunity to touts and conmen to exploit budding cricketers. These fraudsters ensnare youngsters in the name of being a talent hunt manager.
Well, this has been a thriving business for a very long time. And if you look at it, there are so many fraud academies where even international cricketers are involved with it. And they're going and coaching there. People in the name of letting get selected for IPL, players getting selected for IPL, are duping people of lakhs of rupees.
On the name of a sports management company, these accused persons were luring these aspiring cricketers who are desperate to play for the country from academies and also from the clubs. In fact, sometimes they do the meetings with them, showing them the photographs with the cricketers, with the IPL playing cricketers, and also the national level players. They also use the logo and on their social website so that they could make them authentic. The website could be authentic and these kids could be lured easily. They also take the name of many of the cricketers and stating that they also paid the money for playing the matches in these big tournaments.
In a cricket-crazy country like ours, the pressure and competition to be part of the national or IPL team, the lure of glitz and glamour that comes with the profile is enough to make many a youngster go astray. Coaches and former cricketers are now raising an alarm.
मैं यूँ कहूँगा कि पहले क्रिकेट में पैसा नहीं था, तो पैसा कोई देगा क्यों? ग्लैमर था, आपको नाम चाहिए था हिंदुस्तान के लिए खेलने के लिए, तो आप जज्बे के साथ खेलते थे। अब आईपीएल आई, पैसा आ गया, तो सबको ये लगने लगा कि जब पैसा मिलना ही है तो पैसा दे भी देते हैं। जो जिस लेवल पे बीसीसीआई काम करती है उनको इन चीज़ों से कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ने वाला। कि ये क्या करते हैं। लेकिन हाँ, हैरानी इस बात की होती है कि वो चाहें तो इन ऐसी चीज़ों को बड़े आराम से रोक सकते हैं, क्योंकि कुछ नहीं, आपको पब्लिकली कुछ चीज़ें अनाउंस करनी है, आपको सिस्टम ऐसा बनाना है जो सबको पता रहे।
बेचारों को क्या पता बस आप पहुंच जाओ।
Former cricketers like Vijay Yadav and Kirti Azad believe that such con artists are thriving in the country. In order to make their story believable, the fraudsters drop names carefully after doing proper research and even use photos of cricketers to entrap starry-eyed aspirants.
You know, our photographs are being misused, used and abused.
Yes.
For such kind of cheating that is being going on. So you mean to say there was only one company that was doing a fraud? And there were many of them.
Okay.
There wasn't just one.
Okay.
If there is one, there have to be more.
True.
You need only one fish to spoil the pond. And lots of people are aware of it. Lots of people are aware of it. Even the administration, the police is aware of it. But they get the money.
Desperation to play for the bigger tournament is making these players more vulnerable. In fact, this is also very much certain that without the collusion of the people who are sitting in association, these cheaters cannot work. But in this case, will the agency will go more deeper and dig out the people, those who are actually responsible for these kinds of cheatings. With video journalist Dilip Kumar, I am Alok for Mirror Now.